Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super important for anyone dealing with taxes in India. How to view your annual information statement, ICE, for 2025. If you're wondering what ICE is, it's essentially a detailed report from the Income Tax Department that compiles all your financial transactions, like bank interests, dividends, and even property sales. This helps you ensure your tax filings are accurate and spot any discrepancies early. So, why bother? Well, it's mandatory for tax compliance, and viewing it can save you from surprises during tax season. Let's jump right into the steps. First, make sure you have your PAN, permanent account number, and a registered mobile number handy, as you'll need them to log in. Step 1. Head over to the official income tax e-filing portal at www.incometax.gov.in. Once you're there, click on the Login button and enter your user ID, which is usually your PAN, along with your password. If you haven't registered yet, take a moment to do that. It's straightforward and free. After logging in, navigate to the Services section and select Annual Information Statement, or ICE, from the drop-down menu. You'll be prompted to authenticate via OTP sent to your registered mobile or email, so keep an eye on that. Once authenticated, you'll see your ICE dashboard for 2025. Here, you can view details like your financial transactions, TDS information, and any high-value dealings. Take your time to review everything. Download a copy if you need it for your records. One quick tip. If you spot any errors, you can file a feedback or correction through the portal itself. And remember, this is all secure, so don't worry about privacy. By following these steps, you'll stay on top of your finances and avoid any last-minute hassles. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tax tips. See you in the next video.